In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on the Safe Search filter on Google Chrome. It's the best tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But it's actually very easy to go ahead and turn on this filter. All you want to do is go ahead and open up Chrome, which, by the way, this works exactly the same whether you're an iPhone, Android, or Samsung, anything like that. Once you're here and on the main page on Google, just click on your profile icon on the top right. Then scroll down, and one of the options you're going to see towards the bottom is going to be Safe Search. So click on that. And if you want to turn on Safe Search, you can have it on blur, which helps blur explicit images, but explicit text and links may show. Or you can have it on filter, which helps filter out explicit images, text, and links. So yeah, it's as simple as that. You can do it on whichever one you want, and then you'll be good to go. And it says Safe Search filtering is now on once you have it on. So it's going to say that at the bottom, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other videos on the channel as well.